Let's learn how to divide the number 162 by 9 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 9, so we will consider the number 16. We know that 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Subtract, we get 7. Now this 7 is less than 9, so we will bring down this number 2 here. And we know that 9 times 8 is equal to 72. If we subtract, we get 0. Now see that we have no number to bring down here and we have got the number 0. So we will stop. Therefore, 162 divided by 9 is equal to 18. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.